If you guys are following me on Instagram, you would know it's this girl's birthday. So the birthday girl, we're out here at the French in Hamilton, just killing time waiting for the patio to free up for us to eat outside. It's a beautiful day. It's probably about 27 degrees. So just looking to grab a drink here. Bar looking nice and stocked. You want the sun?
No, it would make my eye water more.
So my hand is not too shaky, but we've got the appetizers, salads, the mains. Oh, the features. Pretty small menu, but I guess it's just for lunchtime. I'm thinking the foie gras is what I may be trying. So one of the things I noticed here is that when you go on their website, TheFrench.ca, or is it TheFrench.com, when you click on lunch menu, the brunch menu comes up at the same time. So it is a limited lunch menu. We were hoping to get something off the brunch menu because that's what we saw online. Unfortunately, that's only available on the weekends. So just a little something if you plan on coming out here and you were tricked by the website. I'm starting off with my typical coffee. You know, the boy have a weakness for coffee. Birthday girl today is doing the sangria. And she's busy updating the IG.
No.
Snapchat. Yeah. She's not supposed to be on data, eh?
I send it on Snapchat, but it doesn't go through the Wi-Fi.
Yeah. So Taya got the vegetable paella. Just spin the plate there, let the people see. And Iman got the massive turkey club on the croissant. You gotta appreciate it. I probably won't finish all of it though. Why fooling? I finishing that. Steak frites or fries, garlic aioli. I kinda hijacked Taya's plate here. So we cleaned up. While it wasn't all that impressive when you looked at it, yo, the flavors on that vegetable paella were amazing, man. Unfortunately, the club sandwich, well, fortunately, not unfortunately, it's really big, so I'm taking the rest of it home. It's not here right now, but so there we go. We've got the rest of it to go there. The aioli had to make it home. Yeah, a couple quick thoughts on the food and the service. And the service was okay. Nothing to write home about. Large portions, even though the vegetable paella didn't look as much, it was very filling as well. The only little sort of problem I had was the garlic aioli. I don't know if it was going bad, it was about to turn, or the chef went in with a bit too much lemon juice, but there was a sort of a tart taste to it. I'd much prefer a sort of a sweet aioli rather than a tart aioli. But that's about it, guys. Thanks for joining us here. Birthday celebrations at the French Hamilton. It's hot, so yo, enjoy your weekend, man.